What is up, everybody? This is FNH News Reviews and Tours here with a brand new video to talk about how to use OBS to stream either 24/7 or however you want to stream, but how to stream basically on YouTube specifically. So just gonna give you like a quick insight, nothing too crazy or complex video, just like the basics. If a deep dive is needed, you guys can definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I can do that as well. But to get right into the basically the meat of this, so first thing is you should have live streaming enabled. I believe you just need to do phone verification, and then you should be able to have live streaming enabled. And after that, what I want you to do is when you log in your YouTube channel, as you see I have, just click go to like live streaming where it says stream now, and this is just the first thing I want you to do. And then basically just get the stream key over here and copy it, or just have it open so you have it on the side. The next thing you need to do is, I will leave this link in the description below, but you need to download OBS, which is Open Broadcaster Software. It's completely free. It's for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has some like guides on how to use it and whatnot, and you can basically use this to stream whatever you want to, and there's like different versions and different items to basically stream. It shows you everything that needs to be done, and this is the app the software I should say I have open, and this was the bitch lasagna stream I was doing just to give you guys an example. This is through a source, so there's different types on how you can do the streaming, and you basically put all your sources in there. As you can see, I have the audio source in there, and I have it on loop just to show you. As you can see, it's a local file, it's on loop. You can have a local file as well looping in here and then streaming that. You can use like PewDiePie does, the DVD corner screens hitting all the time, or just a regular DVD screen, which when it could or could not hit, that's like local, that's not live. Then there's the T-Series one, which is where you can literally live stream or link a direct website and then change the dimensions of that, obviously. And there's CSS as well. If you know how to do that, you can change your I just kept it basic. Again, I do need to test around a little bit more with it, but I kept it basic. And you can see I literally took that link. You could have used Social Blade, you could have used all these different websites. You can literally use a YouTube channel, which is weird. Don't do that. I'm positive you'll get a copyright strike if you do that. But as you can see, I use this, I plugged it in, and it's a live count or like of what's happening, and that website itself is live, and you can literally see everything from that website. I believe if I press start streaming now, for me it's going to start because I already put in the stream code. That's why I said you should have the stream code on you. Or oh no, actually you just put it here. So if when you go to settings, you can go to settings on the right side, and then there's again a bunch of features happening in the stream section. You just say what the streaming service is. There's a lot. I'm assuming people would probably use Twitch and YouTube the most, but obviously there's others. I don't know how the hell they work. I can't speak on those. But what's it called? You will do so YouTube, because this is I'm staying for YouTube. Show all services. This is what I do: primary YouTube ingest server, and I just put the stream key there. That's how the streaming works. Then there's the output. What are you trying to do? Where you're trying to put it. Then there's the audio. As you can see, we can delay. You can mute the like mic, the computer desktop audio, and obviously I have my audio linked. There's the video. How do you want it? What's the custom FPS frames per second you want? Hotkeys, obviously, and advanced. You don't have to go through any of those features. I'm just giving you the most basic one. All you have to do is you'll have the desktop audio and the mic audio. As you know, my mic right now I'm recording, I muted those because there was no need to have them. And obviously I kept the bitch lasagna one, and that's being it's looped, so it will never stop. It'll keep playing in the background over and over and over again. And again, you can start streaming. You can record. I don't know how that one works. I've never tried the feature, but you can record as well. And again, you have all the different features here, and that's it. You can literally live stream this. If you wanted to live stream something else, you can literally take something else and put it in, and it would work. Like, that's how it is. It's very easy to actually do. And at least the subscriber is 300,000 now. The difference. But just to show you as an example, this was basically how I did it. Again, extremely simple software. This is just like the most basic version, I'm telling you. You don't even need one screen. You can put multiple URLs. You can keep on adding a source, and then same thing. You can literally add a source. You can say what it is, what type of source it is. For me, I believe it was trying to remember what type of source, a browser source, so that's what I used. I did create new, you press OK, and boom. See, as you can see, OBS project, that would start popping up then. And again, you can have multiple stuff over there. See, I have another screen here now because this is the whole thing, and you can, again, it's different sources you can use. You don't have to specifically keep the not rename. You don't have to keep just the whole screen. You don't have to use a browser. Again, there's multiple sources. There's different types. There's display capture as well. So I'm assuming like a, I don't know if that's display or video capture, but you can like use the Elgato as well to stream. You can use the different types of sources. You can put an image there. You can put a local video which you can loop there. Again, there's many types of different scenes and features you can use, and then live stream. Obviously, be sure on how to live stream. I don't want you guys to get a banned either, or get a, not banned, but copyright strike, or no, I'm sorry, community guideline strike. You could get copyright depending on what you do, but community guideline strike like I did, stupid strike, extremely false, got it removed, made a video on that. So definitely want you to avoid that and not get screwed over like I did. But yeah, it's pretty cool because you see the time frame it was doing for, if it was recording as well, how long it's been. CPU usage, this for me, it went to 9, which was again nothing. Right now my computer is 1. Again, I have an insanely high powered computer, so for me it's not that big a deal. But yeah, this is basically OBS, and I wanted to like give you guys like an insight on how it works, what it is, and how to go basically live stream on YouTube using OBS. I would say one of the best softwares out there and completely free, so I would highly recommend this. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts below. If you want a deep dive guide, let me know in the comment section below. But if you have any other comments, thoughts, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. If you overall have any questions, concerns, let me know. And overall, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And FNH out. Peace.